Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing a review on the Juno Mirror. So if you guys missed my video, it was about a week or so ago where I did a review of the Juno Lucky Bag, and I had some issues with that, so the company was kind enough to send me out the mirror. So I want to share it with you guys and show you just how cool it is. So if you want to find out more about the Juno Mirror, you're in the right place. But before we get started on it, make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you have not done that already. And also make sure you hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. So if you want to find out more about the mirror, just keep watching. Alright, again, when I did my video on their Lucky Bag, which they are not doing anymore, or at least for the time being until they can get some more products for it, they said it was valued at $100+ and you buy it for $25. I went and looked and mine was just under $50 worth of value with the products that were in there. So I emailed them. I always want to give a company a chance to make things right. And I let them know that I was displeased, that I had done a video on it, that I was in the process of editing the video. So they emailed me just in the nick of time. They emailed me the night before, so I re-edited my video, put a copy of that email in there showing how nice they were and that they wanted to make things right. So they sent me the mirror, and I want to share it with you guys. So let's talk about everything you get in the box. You get it's a smart mirror, by the way. So you get a user manual. Mine's a little icky right now because I made the mistake of leaving it next to the stove when I was making dinner. So inside, nice, it's a very nice user manual, very easy to explain. It's about charging, care and maintenance, just a little hello gorgeous message. Then what you get with your mirror, I'm trying to read all this with you. How to turn it on and how to control your mirror. Again, on the very back, then it talks about using the app with it. You also get a little card. Now this comes in either white or this rose gold color. I have the white one, so this will show you what the rose gold looks like. And this talks about how every month 3 random winners will be chosen at the end of each month to win $100 in cash. So if you get the mirror, make sure you hold on to this and follow the instructions. Now you do get a USB charger with this, so you can charge it. It's pretty long. And then it comes in 3 pieces, actually 4. So you have your base, you have a pole, and then you have the big mirror itself, and then you also get a small 5-time magnification mirror. So let's really quickly put it together because it's just a snap to do that. So on the tray, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to hold it close up, but it being white, you may not see it very well. But it says to lock and unlock, and then you'll notice these little stickers here with arrows on them. On that, you'll see there's a sticker with an arrow, so you simply line those up, push it down, twist it to lock it in place, and then with the top mirror, same thing, simply put it in the hole and lock it into place. I haven't taken the stickers off mine yet, but I will. So this is what it looks like when you get it all together. So the tray is great for keeping any little makeup items that you might have, anything like that you just want to throw in there, jewelry, rings, things like that. On the front of it, you'll notice there is, and I'm sorry you're going to see my reflection of my camera, but we've got, I'm over here, what looks like a lipstick tube, and then just a power button, and then that looks like a book right there. Oops, which I just turned it on. So if I push, actually looks more like a camera button in the center one. So if I push the camera button, that turns it off. You can control what kind of light you get by pressing that. So you can get a warm light, you can get a cool light, turn it off. If I press and hold, it will either go brighter or dimmer. thing that's really cool about this is if I press the one that looks like a little book, the back side is now lit up. And you can turn it like so, which I just hit the button by accident, and it becomes a lamp. So you get extra light to be able to see that way. You can turn the top on or off, whichever you prefer to do. So if you want just the lamp, you can have that and not have this one lit up. If you want this one lit up and the lamp, you can do both of them. So it's up to you on what you want to do. Now on the side here, you've got your on-off button. This is where you would plug in to charge it, and then you have an indicator light. So blue light means it's fully charged, purple light means the power's on, and red light means it's charging. So very simple. And then what's great is with this magnification mirror, when you want to use it, it has a magnet in there and it just holds right on. So you're not doing the suction cup thing, which leaves a mark. It just goes right on there. You've got your magnification, take it off. By the way, the 5-time sticker does come off. I just haven't removed that because I want to share it with you guys. You can keep it down here in the bottom when you're not using it. And then, let me get my phone out. With the Juno Mirror app, this is what it looks like, and hopefully we can see this. I might have to take a screenshot and insert it because I don't think it's going to show up with the glare. But you can control the mirror simply by pressing it. So let's see if I can do this. So I don't have it turned. I do have it turned on. Watch the mirror. So I'm doing this all with the app. And it just turned on the back too. So you've got that control, and then down here there's a little sliding bar so you can adjust how dim or bright it is. Then you can go into some presets. And again, this is going to be impossible to see. So we have office, restaurant, and then outdoor. But you can also make your own, and it'll do an auto sensing. It will take your photo. So you can just say, and it's sensing it right now. And that's what it came up with, the light. So I will say okay and save it. Oops, I got to name it first. I'm just going to name it me. And then save it. And now down there, that one position that was saved, I'm sorry, we're getting the glare from the ring light, is now showing my saved photo. So that's pretty cool. And you can add a whole bunch of them on there too. So very easy to use, very travel friendly because you can just break this all apart, you know, wrap it up in a little bit of bubble wrap and put it in your suitcase and you are good to go. So I think this is really, really cool. Really cool. So I'm thrilled with this. I want to thank Juno for going out of their way, being a great company. You've earned a loyal customer because you did the right thing. I'm just a firm believer in taking care of your customers, and you guys certainly did that, so thank you very much. Okay, I went ahead and turned off everything but this one lamp that's way behind me because I want to show you just how much light this puts out. So that's with the lamp on, and then if I go to the mirror side, I mean, look, it's lighting up my face. Hopefully you can see, so I'm blocking the light there. You can see that's giving me a lot of light from a makeup mirror. So if you need to use this in a dark room, it'll really light you up. Hope you can see. Here, let me do it this way. See, I can see really well. Okay, that's how good it works in the dark. And of course, if you guys haven't seen the Juno sponges, oh my gosh, how do I not have one in front of me? You know, I use them all the time. I love them. I love, love, love them. So they have a great site. They have a lot of makeup. Go check them out, juno.com. That's all you got to do. But I think this is so cool. And hey, go ahead and get one if you want to. Oh, by the way, the price on them, I should tell you that, is $59. And they just ship this right out to you. and I'm going to play around with it a little more, but I think it's kind of fun. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you learned a little bit more about Juno's Mirror. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below, and I will do my best to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So, as always, I love you guys, and bye-bye.